Hello guys, and this is so like the thing is like DeepCool RF and phone. And this is like the tank. It doesn't so this is into so those kind of functions. Those kind of two things and some kind of things can do again, and there's like five something and there's something things I guess that they're doing. So get the deck, sorry. So just to get ready, so the better things. So now we can get instructs, gigabit, inside, and outside. So those to get those four bytes. I just like the train. It doesn't cite frames. So let's get cracking. Things. I guess it just sounds good, right? Alright. It's still going, it's easy. Grab your cats. And thanks. Alright. This is a backpack, that's good. Close it. So 5 screens. We do get fairhands. Let's get to the joint fence inch. There's the camera. Okay. It's like same things. There's anything there. Get that. So let's get to the right. Let's get stank. So, good one. Since I got that, so I got the whatever. So that's right. So well guys, okay, I think I got the building, it goes down. Just get that to right. Correct, and then subscribe. That's for that thing.